Shock in the shed drill here, eyes under eyes, violent hands, defeating the cut block. Great drill for that. Right here, this is a cover 3 drill. You're going to see the linebackers work to their landmarks, that being the hash, 10 to 12 yards deep, right outside the hash. Set up on the quarterback, break on the throw. This is a drill that we'll do every day, a form of it, to help you work on your cover 3 drops. As you notice the detail, the coach will move the linebackers with his eyes. When his hand comes off the ball, then we're breaking on the throw. DBs, this is a great drill for 3-step progression. Break, burst in your pedal, turn inside. We will always use a line or the hash as you see right here. Same drill now with no cones. You can either shuffle, or you can walk out for your 3-step read. We'll break you forward. Then we'll totally flip our hips and come right down the hash. That's why we have you on the hash. The second part of the drill is we'll weave with it. The coach in the middle represents the receiver, giving you a stem, stay square, and weave. Weave. Great job. Key is to stay square in your pedal. This next one's a cover 2 drill. We always talk about getting your hands on, rerouting the receiver. 3 crossover steps, shuffle, pivot, back in the flat. Here's another way to do it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, shuffle, 7 cut, go up and get the ball at its highest point. Right here, you'll see the drill again. Reroute, 1, 2, 3 inside, opens up 45, inside shoulder down, pivot to the back in the flat. Good job there. Here are some videos of coverages. Toby Ed Black, the end at the top is in a 9, playing black coverage, rotating down. Great job by the nickel down here, rerouting the receiver. So as we see the end zone, 72 is in a 9 technique. All right, that's what Ed means. Here we go in an under and Opie front. We'll call it Opie at Myers Park. The safety came down strong. Opie Green, great job there. He's the curl flat player. Nice job there. Good job by the backside corner, overlapping in thirds. Once again, this is an Opie look, closed left. The 3 technique is to the left. The nose is 99 to the right. Great job by the backside corner, overlapping his third. Here's an Opie front or Toby. This is why we press bell at the top. Great job here. Here we have Buck Blue. This is a good example of the nose not wrapping. Great job by the corner at the top. Cover 2. Corner down here at the bottom. Cover 2. Safeties work to your landmarks. 2 crossover runs. Square up. Great job here. The right corner is too shallow. He needs to go through his progression. 3 crossover runs. Shuffle. Great job with the buck here, but the nose does not wrap. 3 technique to the A, 5 to the B, and we got to get the nose to wrap for contain. This is what happens when the nose does not wrap. Now the next example is a great job of the nose wrapping in a buck. You only wrap nose when you know it's pass. If it's run, you stay in the A gap. Great job by the D-line. Once again, emphasis turning and running to the football after it is thrown. So here comes the buck from our right. And 97 is the nose. He will wrap for contain because he knows it's pass. Great job there. Here are some tips in our cover 2. The wheel backer down at the bottom. You have to stay inside number 2. You should be apexing 2 and 3. Because you're losing the mic. The mic is on 3. So therefore, if you are a seam defender or a hook defender in cover 2, you have to stay inside. Eagles red. This is a great job by the front running a double stunt. So we're going to call double stunt on both sides. Eagles means double exit. Exit means the ends are going first. The tackles will wrap to contain. Great job on the back end of coverage. Once again, Eagles means double exit, ends first. You'll see both ends come inside, and then you'll see the tackles, defensive lineman, wrap for contain. Eagles means double exit. Great job by them executing this stunt. Open nail. This is the nickel of their Sam coming. Great job here. Remember, we got a press bell from a corner standpoint. Defensive end, you come underneath all blocks. This is a very common play this day and age. Number 2, the right end, as we're looking at it, will come underneath this block, and the free player will be the blitzer. Great job there. Open nail here. Remember, squeeze the run, contain the pass. The blitzer at the bottom, he's going to squeeze the run. Now he knows his pass, redirect, and contain. Remember in nail, if you're to the 1-5 side, it's a stealer. If you're to the 3 technique side, it's a buck. There's the stealer stunt. He's trying to get underneath 74. Good job by 24 getting his hands up. Toby nail 9. Here it is at the top. Now this is going to be team's answer when they know we're blinging the nickel. There's the stealer stunt. Good job turning and running. A nail with a QT. What is QT, coach? A quick text. That means the tackle's straight up the field. The end comes underneath the tackle. That is a QT, a quick text. So to our right, you'll see the quick text with the nail, that being the nickel or the Sam, coming off the edge. Toby snake. Snake means safety coming off the weak side. Great job here. The safety down at the bottom coming off the weak side. Remember, in our blitzes, if you're to the 3 technique side, you'll run a buck stunt. If you're to the 1-5 side, you just run a stealer, as what you just saw was the stealer in front of you. Toby bird with a QT. Bird the boundary corner. If 2 are displaced, which is what you're seeing, 2 receivers displaced, you make a UU call and send the will backer. So the strong safety can match 2. Mike matches 3. The nickel or Sam matches 2. Great job there. And once again, QT means quick text. As you see, the 3 technique could go up the field. Here comes the end off his butt. That is a QT.